In a multiple choice mathematics test of 40 questions, 6 marks are given for each correct answer and 3 marks are deducted for each wrong answer. Ryan scores 163 marks and wants to find out how many questions he got correct. He remembers that he did not attempt 4 questions for which 2 marks per question is deducted. How many questions did Ryan get correct? Okay, so this type of problem can be solved by actually forming and solving an equation. So, if we let n be the number of questions Ryan answered correctly, and now we try to form an equation. Right, so for each one he answered correctly, he's going to get 6 marks. So 6 marks for each correct questions. Now we know that he did not attempt 4 questions, for which he's going to lose 2 marks per question. So he's going to lose minus 2 times 4. Now that means 4 questions he didn't answer out of the 40. That means there's 36. There's 36 minus n that he answered incorrectly. Let's just go through that again. There are 40 questions altogether. If you got 6n right, and then we have to take away another 4 questions from the 40, that means he's got 36 minus n incorrect. And therefore, for each one of those, he's going to lose 3 marks. So 36 minus n questions answered incorrectly, minus 3 marks each. Now this has to be equal to the total marks he got, which is 163. Right, so now all we need to do is to solve this equation. 6n minus 3 times 6n minus 3 times 36 minus n minus 2 times 4, which is equal to 163. So removing the brackets, we're going to get 6n minus 108 minus 108 plus 3n minus 8. So it's minus 3 times 36, which gives me minus 108. Minus times a minus gives me plus 3n. Minus 2 times 4 gives me minus 6. That gives me 163. Right, if we now collect together like terms, we've got 6n plus 3n, which makes 9n. Minus 108 minus 8, which makes minus 116. And we've still got 163 on this side. So if we now add 116 to both sides, we're going to get 9n is going to be equal to 163 plus 116, which gives me 279. Dividing both sides by 9, we're going to get that n is equal to 31. Therefore, Ryan got 31 questions correct. Note, he answered 5 questions incorrectly. That will get that 5 from doing 36 minus 31. So the correct answer is that Ryan got 31 questions correct. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to actually set up an equation and solve it. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.